In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Huion HS64 graphics drawing tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The HS64 from Huion is an excellent choice for a drawing tablet. It is going to be wonderful for beginners and experts alike, and connecting it couldn't be simpler. You can connect it to a PC, a laptop, or even a smartphone. So I'm going to cover the setup process to use this drawing tablet in this video. So all that you have to do is grab the included USB-C cable. So one end is going to go into the Huion tablet like this. So there is going to be a port labeled at the top next to the logo. You plug it in, and then the other end goes into the device of your choice. Because this is going to be a standard USB-A cable, on the other end, you might need to use an adapter if you are connecting it to a mobile device. So this one is going to convert USB-A to USB-C. Once you have the device connected like this to a smartphone, it is basically good to go. On mobile devices, you usually don't have to set anything up. So you just open the app of your choice and see if it works. As long as it is receiving power, it should be working right away. And for a PC or laptop, it is even easier. So you just plug it into any standard USB-A port available on your device. The setup is the same. Now, if you are using a PC or laptop, it is recommended to download this piece of software where you will be able to control everything. So you can go over to the huion.com website, hover over support, download center, and in here, look for the HS64. You might see a bunch of models, but as you can see here, there is the Huion's HS64 and the HS64 Special Edition. Figure out which one of these you have. You can usually take a look at the box or the model number, and then download the drivers for Windows. So you will have the latest release at the top, an older version here that could work better if you notice that the latest one is unstable, and finally the usual manual if you would like to take a look again. Just download the drivers and run the executable file. Once you have the drivers installed, you will also have access to the software where you can control all of the buttons. You can control what each of these keys are going to do, enable or disable them, disable the touch, control the sensitivity, and all sorts of functions on your pen tablet. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.